Hello everyone, Thomas here, the creator of Independent Academy, with another tutorial on how to use the Money on Chain platform. Alright, so for this video I'm going to teach you how to claim the liquidity mining rewards that we've accumulated by holding Bpro. Here you can see that I have a number of Bpro worth close to $200. And this has accumulated some MoC tokens that we are going to claim. For the purpose of this tutorial, I made sure that my MoC balance is at 0. So by the end of the tutorial, this will no longer be at 0. Alright, so what we need to do is on the left side where we have all the token menu, we're gonna go to the MoC menu. Right where it says MoC Tokens. We click there. Now, in our previous video, I already explained what all this information means to you. What we're going to pay attention right now is where it says Mining Program. Okay, so I click there, Mining Program, and this is the amount that I have accumulated today. You can see that it continues to accrue in real time, and here, ready to claim, this is what we are going to have right now. So once we claim this, we're going to have a bit over 17 MoC tokens in our wallet. Alright, so we already connected our wallet with the platform, as you can see on the top right corner, and all we need to do is press claim, and then our wallet is going to be prompted for us to confirm the transaction. It's going to let us know how much the transaction fee would cost, in this case 30 cents, and we click confirm. Now the transaction has been broadcasted into the blockchain, and in roughly 30 seconds it should go through and it should be ready for us to do whatever we want to do with these MoC tokens. Alright, I'm sorry for that jump. I just didn't want us to wait, so I did a little edit so that after the transaction went through in the blockchain, what you will find is that in ready to claim, your MoC will be down to 0. The button for claiming will be grayed out, and if we go up here where it says the MoC amount, these are the amount you have in your wallet. So now before it said 0, and now it has 17 MoCs. Also, if you go to the home button where you find all the stuff in your wallet, you're gonna see that MoC now is 17 MoCs in your wallet. So now you're free to use these tokens however you choose. So the process again is very simple. We just need to go to the side menu, click on MoC, and then click on claim, and that's it. So if you like this content, be sure to hit the like button and all that stuff. If there's anything that was not clear, please let us know. If you're watching this on YouTube or any other social media, you can leave in the comments. And I encourage you to visit independentacademy.org, where that's the place where we are putting all our guides, all our tutorials on how to use MoC, money on chain, rootstock, Bitcoin, and a lot of other stuff, including artificial intelligence tools and every technology that help us become more independent. If you're watching this on the Academy and you have any doubts or questions, just leave them on the feed and I will be answering them very, very, very soon. And hopefully together we can make this a much better place and a better learning experience for everyone. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.